everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Guys, we are talking about a war between Nkunzi and Nosipho, who her character will be facing hell. Trying to fight Nkunzi, guys, was not a good decision. Life will move Nosipho from Hilltop Mansion to the Shark. Her deal with the police will take an unexpected turn, leading Nkunzi into putting a hit and silence Nosipho forever. Guys, we all know that everything Nkunzi owns belonged to Nosipho's father, so she was actually fighting or trying to get what belonged to her. I personally think Nosipho is very young to pick up a fight alone with the crime lord Nkunzi. Funny enough, the person she trusted, Detective Mdlalose, who promised to protect her, will be nowhere to be found. Nkunzi will be furious to find out who was behind his arrest. He will kick Nosipho out of the house and force her to a sad new home. Nosipho's life will be very hard, finding herself with no one on her side, no friends, no family, only an apology from Mondli, who failed to protect him. Guys, now I know why Nkunzi calls Mondli is Mau Mau. Nosipho being raised by a businesswoman, a powerful businesswoman, Lindiwe Mamukulu Vagazi, she will start selling her expensive clothes and start loan shark business. Nosipho promised the viewers that her character will rise again from ashes to phoenix again. Guys, this is all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. In that note, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.